right, we're gonna get some Burger King.
I like chicken fries.
I like chicken fries.
Actually,
Like chicken fries and meal. You guys got anything to celebrate today? No?
I'm 1/16 Irish. This offends me. Eat it! I need ketchup. Oh God! What? Yeah. That's what makes it taste so much better with the.
yeah, you like that? You like it? You like that?
Hey Zeke, you like fish sticks?
Yeah, why?
What are you, a gay fish? Hey Zeke, you like chicken sticks?
No!
What are you, a gay chicken?
No!
So you put the ketchup on the container and you take the little chicken dick. This reminds me of that time in that park bathroom over there. This guy put his chicken stick in my mouth. No! No! Oh! CPR!
Would you recommend Burger King? You would, right?
I'd rate it a 2 titties out of 3.
That seems like a good score.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's like 2 out of 3. Oh no! Somebody dropped chicken fries.